welcome back to our channel. It is 5:46 a.m. and we are about to head out to the hot springs. I don't know what I was thinking and I thought this would be fun. We just got ready really quick. I just put my hair out to makeup on and we're gonna finish packing our stuff and get out of there, get out of here. It's gonna take about 2.5 hours.
Yeah, like that.
2.5 hours and we'll get there before sunrise. So let's do it. This is the swimsuit that I'm gonna wear. I wanted to wear just like something simple, just like a white or black bikini, but nothing fits me right now. So this was in one of my swimsuit hauls. So this is what I'm gonna wear. All right, I think we're ready to go. You ready?
I'm ready.
Start the road trip.
Excited.
We have to stop by Walmart and get something for our GoPro. Then we're ready. Let's go.
All right, we made it. What do you think?
It's cold. Yeah. We have to walk because normally we can drive up this dirt path, but it's really muddy.
It's super muddy.
So I'm not gonna get stuck.
There's a Jeep back there that's stuck.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see it.
Yeah, but all right, so we'll get there in like a minute. So cue montage. We got back and
We got back and we got into bed.
we showered.
Yeah.
But now I'm so tired because we woke up at 5 a.m. So catch me later.
So we just woke up. Abby's putting on makeup in the bathroom naked, so I can't show her, unfortunately. I know you'd all love to see that, but we slept in for way too long. This Dean is all sad because you missed us all day, didn't you, Dean? Did you miss us? Take that as a yes. So yeah, Abby's getting ready because she's got some stuff that she has to do for Instagram, and then the rest of the day is ours to do whatever we want with, so we'll see where it takes us.
So I'm back, I'm ready, took a nap, and I'm feeling so much better. And I have a few things that I need to post for my Instagram, so I'm gonna take those right now. And then I'm not sure what we're gonna do after this. Officially done with that. Put some leggings on, and now we gotta go grocery shopping and run a few errands. Right, baby? Mm-hmm. We put on comfy clothes. That kind of wore us out.
We're like yin and yang. You're wearing white and
gosh,
black.
yeah. It's like starting to get warm here. If you don't, sorry. We live in Utah, so it's still kind of like snowy, but it's starting to get warm. So hopefully we have no more snows, and it can be summer.
Mm-hmm.
That's what we want.
Mm-hmm.
We just got home. Baby's making me dinner. What are you making me?
Well, it's like a Parmesan chicken garlicky thing.
It's like cauliflower mash. I'll show you guys because you know that I always show my food on Instagram. But it looks so good. Cooking up the chicken right now. Use a chef, baby. Use a chef.
I know. Frank, shut up. What are you barking at?
So I have some bad news. I ate the food and I forgot to record it.
She scarfed it right down. Like, not even 30 seconds.
Yeah. It was really good. So thank you for making me dinner, baby. All right, so I've already pretty much started editing this video and it's a short video, so I'm sorry. We wanted to test out our GoPro for the Bahamas when we go because we wanted to make sure that we knew what we were doing.
We found out we kind of don't.
Sorry, the footage was kind of crappy. Correct myself. But hopefully the next video will be better. We're getting ready to sit down and film a sit down video for you guys. So we're gonna go do that. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.